Hello everyone. Question is a database specialist has migrated an on-premises Oracle database to Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL. SQL. The schema and the data have been migrated successfully. The on-premises database server was also being used to run database maintenance cron jobs written in Python to perform tasks including data purging and generating data exports. The logs for these jobs shows that most of the time the jobs completed within 5 minutes, but a few jobs took up to 10 minutes to complete. These maintenance jobs need to be set up for Aurora PostgreSQL. SQL. How can the database specialist schedule these jobs so the setup requires minimal maintenance and provides high availability? Option A. Create cron jobs on an Amazon EC2 instance to run the maintenance jobs following the required schedule. Option B. Connect to the Aurora host and create cron jobs to run the maintenance jobs following the required schedule. Option C. Create AWS Lambda functions to run the maintenance jobs and schedule them with Amazon CloudWatch events. Option D. Create the maintenance job using the Amazon CloudWatch job scheduling plugin. Correct answer is option D. Question is a company has an AWS cloud formation stack that defines an Amazon RDS DB instance. The company accidentally deletes the stack and loses recent data from the DB instance. A database specialist must change the CloudFormation template for the RDS resource to reduce the chance of accidental data loss from the DB instance in the future. Which combination of actions should the database specialist take to meet this requirement? Choose three options. Option A, set the deletion protection property to true. Option B, set the multi-AZ property to true. Option C, set the termination protection property to true. Option D, set the deletion automated backups property to false. Option E, set the deletion policy attribute to no. Option F, set the deletion policy attribute to retain. Correct answer is option A, C and option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a bank intends to utilize Amazon RDS to host a MySQL database instance. The database should be able to handle high volume read requests with extremely few repeated queries. Which solution satisfies these criteria? Option A. Create an Amazon Elastic Cache cluster. Use a write-through strategy to populate the cache. Option B. Create an Amazon Elastic Cache cluster. Use a lazy loading strategy to populate the cache. Option C. Change the DB instance to multi-AZ with a standby instance in another AWS region. Option D. Create a read replica of the DB instance. Use the read replica to distribute the read traffic. Correct answer is option D. Question is, a company has a heterogeneous 6-node production Amazon Aurora DB cluster that handles online transaction processing OLTP for the core business and OLAP reports for the human resource department. To match compute resources to the use case, the company has decided to have the reporting workload for the human resources department to be directed to all 2 small nodes in the Aurora DB cluster, while every other workload goes to 4 large nodes in the same DB cluster. Which option would ensure that the correct nodes are always available for the appropriate workload while meeting these requirements? Option A use the writer endpoint for OLTP and reader endpoint for the OLAP reporting workload. Option B use automatic scaling for the Aurora replica to have the appropriate number of replicas for the desired workload. Option C create additional readers to cater to the different scenarios. Option D use custom endpoints to satisfy the different workloads. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.